Hey everybody, welcome to Glazes Geezer Garage. We're sitting here ready to go into Coffman Corvettes. Found this little gem of a building and place here. They actually make a lot of the parts here. It's unbelievable. Clint Coffman gave me a tour. It was amazing, but let's show you how the journey started.
Okay, well, we're in the car. It's 8:30 in the morning, and I guess we're headed out to Mansfield.
Okay, we're headed down to Mansfield. Gonna check out Coffman Corvette. Need a front clip for my 63 split window. They do the press molded ones. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about checking their shop out. They invited us down, so we're gonna go check it out. You guys want to know why I drive Chevys? I bought this vehicle for $4,000. Put a little bit of money in it. I've been driving it since I retired for almost 2.5 years. 293,745 miles. Runs perfectly. So we're at Coffman Corvette, which is a very unique building, as you can see here in the video. I'm going to try to get a history on this building. I'm sure they moved in here, but this is really cool. I don't know if it's an old school or what, but this is really interesting. Hey guys, we're here at Glazes Geezer Garage, and this is Clint Coffman from Coffman Corvettes. He's going to give us a little tour of the shop. There's some things he's not going to show us, I understand completely, but we appreciate him letting us come here, and we are going to buy a front end from him, but we'll talk about that a little later. So thanks a lot, Clint.
Right.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
You too. Glad you're here.
So this is a 67, and Clint says it's going to be going to Barrett-Jackson next year. That's a lot of work in 1 year, but it looks like they got the shop to do it for sure. Okay, folks, here we are taking a tour through the plant. You're looking at, I believe it's a 67 Corvette. It was a Corvette that Coffman did. It has a Coffman chassis under it. Right now, it's just in the shop for winter maintenance, according to Clint. And right beside it here, you're going to sneak over and see a Coffman frame using C7 and C6 suspension parts. Really, it's a really nice frame, a lot of reinforcement. That chassis, I believe, is going to go onto this green Corvette. It's a metallic green, a beautiful, beautiful color. It's pretty amazing, the body lines and everything, and how well they really got the body lines correct. It's a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. This is another chassis with an LS. Yeah, they're all Haas, CNC mills. You have two of them?
Have a VF4, which is a mill, then have a lathe, SD25 lathe with a bar feeder.
Yeah, okay. All right. And this is just all your detail machine work.
Mm-hmm.
We're looking at another one of the Corvettes, a nice red convertible. But this factory is one of the coolest factories I've ever seen. If you notice all the wooden floors, it used to be a watch factory and later a yarn spinning factory. Look at here, he's got a couple of late model dirt track cars. He drives them himself and builds them. Just a really unique factory. It's pretty amazing. Plenty of inventory for all the things he builds. Really impressed with this shop and this factory. So what they're doing is they're drawing everything up on a drawing system, probably CAD. And then they come in here and it tells them to bend angles and everything. And they set it up here. They come in and you can see these stops. So it's just like most industrial brake presses, but it's here's all your things. One of the things I've always been challenged with when I tried to do this and have some parts made down at UMD was understand how big a piece of metal I did and how much the bend was going to take up. I never got it. They tried to teach me how to calculate it all. I was never good at it, but it looks like they have it down pretty good here. So, well, look here, a bin of parts, all convertible parts, frames, and some Corsa parts. Pretty amazing, all the inventory they keep. Here's a great example. I think he told us he had 13 cars in the shop. Here you see some C1s. You see a C2 convertible, another C2, another C1, and more wooden floors, more inventory. Just an amazing shop. You can see the old glass block. Just a really interesting shop to go through. And Here we go. Hey, I just really want to thank Cliff and his sister for the opportunity to go through their shop and do a little tour. We did buy 63 front end. I really appreciate it. It's going to be delivered in about 6 weeks. So again, thank you guys. Go see Coffman.